how to back up your Shopify store. That's exactly what I will show you in this video. So let's get right started. So first of all, you'll have to know that there's two ways to do this, or maybe even more. I know of two. You can either use an app to do it, but I don't think there's a free app as far as I'm aware. And so you'll have to pay for an app if you want to use an app. And then there's also some things that you can back up without an app. So I'm going to show you the free way in this video. So let's get right started. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is head over to Online Store right here. And then on the Themes tab, you want to go over here where you have your theme. And in my case, this is the standard Dawn theme. So there's no real point in backing it up. But you would click on this one, this button right here, and then click on Download Theme File. And then Shopify will send you an email and you'll be able to download your file from there. But since that only backed up your theme, you would also want to go over to Products, and then you would want to export your products. So click on here, Export, click on that, and then you want to export it, and it'll export into a CSV file. So just click on Export Products, and actually All Product, and then click on Export Products, and that will also be sent to you via email. Now, I don't think you can export collections or anything like that. So yeah, as I said, this is not quite a complete backup if you do it this way. You can also export the inventory, so you can also do that. And then also you might want to export the orders as well. So same thing here. I can't show you because I haven't selected a plan just yet on here, and then same thing for the customers. As you can see, I just created a test customer, and then you can also export your customers as well. Same thing here as I already showed you. And then in case you also have blog posts or any other pages, you can also export those as well. And so yeah, you should have most of the stuff backed up that way.